Hi friends, this is Akshay. Welcomes you all on Career Edge. Today I am with one more internship, and this is also from a big brand, a top company for cybersecurity that is called Cisco. Cisco launches internship for Indian students, and this internship location is Bangalore in Karnataka, India. The technology interest is not mentioned in the job title. Also, there is a job ID. Area of interest is mentioned, that is engineer and software. For software interns, this internship is. Let's see more about AppD internship. AppD means App Dynamics internship. App Dynamics is the application of intelligence company, and with App Dynamics, enterprise have a real-time insights of a device applications, and you can see more about App Dynamics when you read this description. There is a link in the below in the description. Go through it. You got this interface, and after that about this internship. Only 2021 and 2022 pass out batch is required, means this is a necessary condition for it, not any other, means those students which are in third or a fourth year currently pursuing CS or EE degree, means computer science or electrical engineering degree, are applicable with the programming languages Java, C and C++. So this is the basic requirements for this internship. And about the role, the role is not mentioned. You can see more about App Dynamics here. The App Dynamics platform provides a real-time visibility into end-to-end application performance from user interface points like browser and mobile-based applications to runtime. So this is a basic information about App Dynamics. As an engineer at App Dynamics, you would get the opportunity to build highly scalable microservices using cutting-edge software like Kalka, Storm, Spark, Hadoop, and many others. So let's apply for this internship, see what is in this internship and what is the process of application, and also the requirements which we want for application. So let's start. You just see how to fill up this application form. Firstly, you need your email address and also password if you are already have an account on Cisco. But if not, then don't worry. Go for the new user, just put your email address and create a new account. Tapping on email address and just tapping on register now, you got a verification email. Just verify it, and after that you can proceed the other steps of this internship. First step is resume upload. Firstly, you need to upload your resume. You can upload with your LinkedIn account, Google Drive or Dropbox. If you have a strong connection in LinkedIn, then consider it. If you not have a strong connection, then ignore it. Now I am going for the next process. Firstly, uploading file is very easy. Just tapping on choose file and you can browse any file and just upload it through your device. And after this process, there is the main step, that is of application information. Firstly, you need to choose salutation, Mr., Mrs., Doctor, any other thing. First name, last name, middle name, preferred first name, and after that email address is required. Primary phone type, if it is a mobile phone, home phone or a work phone. It's also need of secondary phone type if you want, not compulsory to fill. And after that, if you want SMS message on your phone, then you just tap on yes or no. Then your address, your mailing address, your home address, country and region, state provenance, city, town, postal code. These are very easy information which you easily fill up. And the next is area of interest and highest degree obtained or pursuing. Just choose from the list in the interested category, and after that also highest degree obtained or pursuing. There is many options, choose from them. Also there is an option for getting an email from Cisco for job notifications and internship notification. Also you can also take on yes. And here is a college university name required. If your college university is not listed here, firstly browse many colleges are here. You need to give time when you are filling this application form. Now major is required. Major means the stream you chosen, just like computer science, electrical engineering and others. If you have any certification from Cisco, just like CCNA, CCDP and other things, I have also uploaded CCNA certificate answers. If you want, then go through it and just take it the certificate from Cisco of CCNA. And after that, there is more information required, which is very basics. You just create your password. There is a self-created password required, and after that, here you need to require some more information for getting job notification and internship notification. And when you complete it, just tap on agree and continue. And after that, there is a required of voluntary self identification. Here you need your gender. When you tap on select an option, there is a three options come. You can just see here. There is a female, male, choose not to disclose. Just click on your own choice and click on continue. Now we are on the last step, that is a final submission of this internship application form. If you review that your all the information which you put it here is just correct, then go for submit. If you want to go back, just tapping on any of the 1 2 3 4 steps and you go back. So this much in this video. If you like it, then please appreciate our work by like and subscribe our channel. This much in this video. Thanks for watching.